Okay, so first of all, you need to have an off-the-shelf box. And secondly, in order to deploy, to make a legacy VM system into an AI VM system, you need to have an affordable system. If it takes a lot of money, then it will not work. Okay, so our approach is to put and optimize our AI model onto Intel platform. So with a simple Core i7 machine, we can run up to 20 cameras. So that would be very, very affordable systems. And the third one is on-premise. All of our system stays on the box. Nothing goes to cloud, nothing goes to internet, nothing goes to my company. That's because in VMS world or security world, security is the most important thing. So nothing goes out of the box. Everything runs on premise, on Intel box. Okay, first of all, they need to understand the problem they want to solve. And then they need to pick and choose the right solution to fulfill their needs. Okay, in most cases, AI companies, they will tell you that they need to train those new AI models. Then it takes time, takes money, takes a lot of efforts, and then that kind of projects will not work. So for a customer to choose a system that can work with their legacy VMS or NVR systems, they need to find affordable, off-the-shelf, and on-premise system to work with them. Okay, there are two categories. One is object detection, one is object recognition. For object detection, that can be license plate recognition, that can be the color of the car, whether a person fell or if there's a box stay on the ground, etc. Those are object detection. And the second category is object recognition. So they are doing facial recognition. They need to match the color of their clothes to find the right person. So basically, you can categorize the categories into object detection and object recognition types. Yeah. VMS, NVR, camera systems, they all belongs to security category. So basically, you need to elevate security level. Okay. So the phase one, it could be virtual fence. For example, at 3 a.m. in the morning, if there's a person walking through your front door, etc., it will send an alert. So for that kind of stuff, you need a solid AI system that can detect very good person shape, so that they can provide solid and good alerts at midnight when there's a person passing by, not a cat or dog, etc. So for phase one, those object detection, whether there's a car, there's a person appear in runtime, etc. So those are the phase one use cases that they can use. After the customer deploy phase one, so they elevate the security level to a higher level. Okay, without phase one security system, the basic VMS and NVR, it just takes too much time to do manual review. Takes too many human power to do that. But phase two, it can be even higher security level. For example, they need to do facial recognition for blacklist or stranger alert. This floor, there shouldn't be any stranger in this floor. So if there's a stranger appears on the floor, it should send an alert, which means that you need to enroll staff and employee into whitelist, so that a blacklist or stranger appear on the floor, you'll be alert. But what's next is, how come that person appear over there? Where has been to in the past 3 hours? So phase two could be facial recognition and person tracking solution in the building or in the hospital, in the school, etc. The value could be two parts. One is loss prevention, or the time decreased to solve the problem. Okay, that's loss prevention. Another one is the value that they bring to the business insights. Okay, the business insights the system bring to them. For example, in a retail store, what the latest solution or technology can do is they can filter out employee. So the real strangers are the real customers. Or they can tell that, oh, there's a man aged 30 to 50. This person always shopped on the computer or shoes, etc. So the AI system can provide business insights to the retailers. So those are the things that they can do in the retail shops. Okay, in short, one is loss prevention. So if they figure out that person has stole something in my store, so they can simply put that face into a blacklist. And next time when it comes, you will send an alert. But on the business insights, the existing CCTV camera with smart AI system can bring the retailers with real business insights. How many people, how many real customers, how much time they stay, and where did they go in your store. So those are the business insights and loss prevention. So those are the value a true AI system can bring to the retailers. That's one example. Usually it could be a school or hospital. Okay, let me take hospital.
Hospital.
Yeah, okay. So actually hospital is a semi-open space. So you need to find doctor, patient, or thief everywhere. Okay, so that's the case we deploy in Asia, Japan, or even in Latin America. But I believe it's the same to US and Europe. You need to find doctor, patient, or thief. Okay, so that's the cases. Another case is stadium. In most cases, you need to find a person, no matter that guy took your notebook or something. But another case is lost kids. Okay, so after the concert, I cannot find my boy. So you simply take your phone, upload the photo of your boy. So in minutes, we can help the guard identify where this boy has been to. So those are the use cases that can be applied with a real good and solid face-to facial recognition and person tracking solution. So our idea is we take technology, put into standard products, and apply to different vertical markets. And our approach is affordable, off the shelf, using existing CCTV, and everything is on premise to make sure that everything is secure enough. So that's what AIRA is doing at this moment. Yeah.
Great.
Okay, that's because on-prem is by default is the easiest thing to manage. Cloud means that if there are multiple systems running or multiple branch offices running, then you need a cloud. So we only send metadata to the cloud to do multiple sites and multiple server management. But by default, each store, each site, just put a simple box with on-premise system that can do the job easily. Yeah.